All right, have you guys tried Galaxy AI yet? No? Well, why not when Galaxy AI has over 3,000 tools?
3,340 tools, to be exact. So let me show you a little bit of it. And then going here, it's advertising the biggest and the best things for you here right now. So joined up a thing. GPT-5 Pro is now available. You got Draw to Edit. Never used that one yet. Claude and Sonnet. You do this fabulous alt-art pictures you've been seeing around on TikTok. And here's my favorite one, the free unlimited Nano Banana until December 31st. Free unlimited Nano Banana until December 31st. Why is it my favorite? Well, we're going to scroll down here. Like with the images, it just brings up by image stuff. And right over here is the AI Dragon Generator. Why is that my favorite? I'll show you. Because I love Ground Ninja 1. And I was messing around here a little bit today just to see what kind of dragons I could come up with. And I'll show you here. One, let's see here. Nano Banana, we're not going to change that because we want free. Dragon style, you see it can be realistic, fantasy, Eastern, Western, mythological, or cartoon, digital, steampunk. We're going to choose any style. Let it choose. You can do your output format, your ratio, ever designs. Of course, will 4, that's the max. Unlimited, free, yes. So let's see. I'm just put the type in electric dragon. Haven't tried that one yet, so it'll be a surprise to you, Andy. We're going to generate. See what we'll come up with. Look, 0 credits used. Yes, I like that. Okay, and oh my goodness. What a death. That's all like a dragon. Wow, I got chills. Like it's giving me a shock. If you electric dragon, how about ice dragon? I mean, well, we've all seen fire dragons. Stand left for those. Let's see some ice dragons. Let's see one of those sits enthroned. And you can go, I have a slug of 2 here. It generates these pretty quickly. That would be a nice trading. Dan Eternal reminds me with all over again. That these dragons have 4 lights, and those all had 2. But whatever's messing around here, well, earlier today, and I thought was pretty cool, was to come out and the dragon and view these over in here. Photo my boy. Mean that. Oh, you move his cut. With in fading white tiger. Sounds kind of crazy, huh? Well, it's not. What is that? 0 credits used. I get through all every time I see that. I can't help it. So that means you are even to generate unlimited pictures on here. Wow, that is wow. I even go and customize it to like if you don't want the feathers, it shouldn't have done feathers. I told this to Valerian, I just told her a combination of fur and scales. And that was about it. That would almost looks like armor. But let's see, how about the instead of woman left tiger, yin and nine. Streamer bad. Indeed, oh wow. That one there is really, that's just wow. Make sure you think of a Chumira. I wish it's the how not DNA it good. Oh, that should be interesting. I can nub it. Wow, that is something. That is a Dryden goat. Let's get a little creative here and more than that. How about the DNA of a cobra? I mean, they're supposed to have reptiles to deal with, so I should do hard to combine the two. I'm feeding the tune of the dragon. It's like cobra head. I mean, not you buy him big fangs or something. I could guide it in the direction I want it to be. Oh well, there we go. Fangs, the hood, wings. interesting. Also, it's like the doctor symbol. You know, me. And this is not what create was after hell about. You'll avoid it. Should be go to creative. Zero condition. Oh, like we tiger with a must it. Holy crap. That look at the blue design. That is wow. It looks like the weight off in our generation there, but it's okay. Because we got 3 more images to play with. I'm gonna download this. I like this. So now, how found and video that I showed. Like I said, I'm not giving it any description here, so ignore it and just give a description. And it'll do more in-depth. Please tell what you want it to do. I'm just letting it kind of run for your own here. Let it do its own thing. Because hey, it's free, right? Now, if these were like somebody credits per image or something, I would be giving a lot of detail on. Holy credit. See, that's just the accident come up with an idea or description. That cool. Wow. See, oh head. If we go do fish next thing of 80 around fish. We'll get a dragon with little Wemo here. See what that looks like. Nemo the dragonfish. This should be pretty fun, actually. That is amazing. That is wow. Wow. Hondo the seed. Okay, now I could just work that I'll get this over long doing this video. So you should see what happens. So you have used the dragon with pig jelly. This is pure magic. I've done this a couple times already just to see and make sure it comes out the same. And you're not gonna believe these images. Look at that. It's like that's probably the closest I've seen of deity with a combination of the two, but these that's fantasy art there. And who go ahead and glow for it. Thank you. Generate 4 more just to show you and it does the plan. It reminds me of that thing that was in Valerian, the City of 1,000 Planet. Wow, these are stunning. Dragons underwater with jelly-like qualities. So yeah, I mean, Neat Ice can do things all on your own. And selected the tools here. And show leading. Some of the other things to them. This whole what I can do. It is the #1 all-in-one AI platform. So, let's see. Such one I had saved is my favorite job to get back to those. It gives me 15. Yeah, you keep sunrise where travel photo generators, headshot generators, clothes generator. You could change the clothes on a picture. If you felt like Hojigori the picture, you can actually change them. Face swap, generate music on here. You don't have to beat up Chico Let's Lights anymore. Imagine any video in egg style. Image upscalers. And some that you see you could generate content stop, B-roll deals. Okay. Wow. I've seen that before. Business plans, blogs, the issues in deal 3. But influence with photo generators, the translators, podcast generators. You name it, it is freaking on your people. Instagram reel generators, green screen meme generators. There's no limit to what's on here. If you can think of it, it's here. I guarantee it. And if it's not, you can suggest it and they'll get it for you. I guarantee you pretty much anything that anybody's going to want is here. And I can't get away from the site. You get 15 million credits, $15. Can't beat that. And I get on here and play so much. I'm bad because I'll end up using them all. That's pretty sad about your 15 million credit, and it's a number of days. If you do love a video, if you do love big videos like the video theory, it'll break your parents up fast. So he warned. Let you be also. It's got up here that's 3 credits. So every day you log in, you can see I've missed a lot of days here. You just come here, there's a button that you hit there, and it'll generate credit. It's a random thing. It's not the same every day. And then there's a way to do theft. So, like, I'm hoping this video will get me a million credits. And that you can open view, if you're 30 credit, 30 land. A couple different reviews you can get there. I read that post, give a post, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, TikTok reels. I've done a few of these and got some credits for it. Here's some videos that people have already created. And you can also be an affiliate. This is like one of the best sites that have come out for 2025, if not a whole 2000 period. The 2020s, I should say. But yeah, so get on there and start creating, because I mean, there's no limit to your imagination when it comes to this site. And like I said, the on there pitch dragon. There's a monster generator. There's just the generative core. So yeah, I mean, if you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, because I try to do all of the stuff on here regarding my studio and CUF stuff, but a lot of audio stuff the other than trying to do here lately. And yeah, I just like to have fun and make fun videos. So yeah, and thanks for watching, and go generate.